Hello, Mike Marcella, MS Classic Cars, here with Corey. It's been a while, Corey.
It's been a minute.
Yep, but we're coming back at him with something cool. 1970 Chevelle, the car that everybody wants, right? At least that's how I feel. But this one's a little special. It's got a LT4, Roadster Shop Chassis, everything. AC, vintage year, Dakota Digital, full Chevy electronics, the computer that runs the engine. So when you hit this key, I'll show you a cold start. It starts, does everything that you want, so you can just get in it and drive it. TKX 5-speed, bare brakes, power brakes,
Forgeline wheels.
Forgeline wheels, beautiful interior. I mean, I can't think of all the things it has, because it has them all. It has everything that you want to take this car out and drive it. This is one to drive. Right, Corey?
Yep.
Watch this. Ice cold, and this is what you get when you get an LT4 crate with the GM crate controller. Like you're starting up a brand new Chevy pickup. Ice cold vintage air. Hydraulic clutch too, right? That is so easy that anybody can drive. That's something that really impresses me, because you know, Corey, a lot of these cars, you get in them, it's like, oh, the clutch, but not
yeah,
this
like
one.
workout.
No, this one's nice. Mark's very fussy about the clutches, and this one's got the Mark Schlero clutch. Let's let it warm up a little bit. Nice. It's got the seats go way back, which is another plus for anybody. I'm a little short guy, but it's another thing with these old cars. You don't realize that the older cars, the seats didn't go back. You didn't notice it, I guess, but it's one of the big complaints I get. Hey, can I get seat extensions? Well, you got it. Beautiful day.
Traffic, perfect.
Nice. I like to let it warm up a little bit. This car drives really good. It's something I told Mark. Mark drove this one, because I wanted him to drive it. That's how good it drove. Drives.
It feels solid so far.
I told him, I said, the one thing about this car, Mark, you're gonna like, it's a little bit softer. It's not, you know, on our roads it's unbelievable, so anywhere else I can't imagine. It's super nice to drive. I mean, like, effortless. Oops, you got good brakes too, like really good.
Yeah, the big bare brakes.
Oh yeah.
They'll stop you.
This road's a little bumpy, just to see. Yeah, I forgot how good the brakes are.
Yeah, we definitely don't have the best roads up here,
No.
but this seems to be handling it really good.
No, it's beautiful.
A lot of other cars you'd be bouncing all over the road right now.
No, we've had a few on this road that are tough. Beat up. Going easy. What's nice, look at it. I can put this in 5th if I wanted to. And this one's 700. This one's around 700 horse, because this has got a pulley change and a tune. So with the headers, you know, 700 horse that you can drive like this.
Yeah, not bumping.
Everybody wants
smooth.
a camshaft. You know, you don't need it. Look at this.
Go to some cruise nights, no problem. Have a little bit of fun.
I think I'm third year. Right? That's the difference. Supercharged, just like nothing. Instant. Playing with switches. You look at this car. You never know it. So spin the wheels.
Oh yeah.
It's a little cool out today. It's only about maybe 60, so.
Roads ain't warm.
No.
That's for sure.
It's nice out. It's not warm. Pull out to death over here.
Yeah. It's always a nightmare.
Oh my God, that's terrible.
Does.
Being cautious.
It doesn't feel like a 70 Chevelle.
No, I could. If I stayed in a throttle, she'll go. Just being a little cautious. No, not at all. 70 Chevelles drive nice. This car just, I mean, this is.
You know, it's solid. It's got the chassis, all the suspension components, anything you need for the more modern ride. Little bump.
Loved it.
Gonna grab some outside shots.
Yep.
Everyone can see how the car looks up from the outside.
Hello everyone, it's Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I thank you for watching this video. MS Classic Cars only specializes in number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. We truly have something for everyone. We take great pride in servicing and detailing every vehicle that we sell, and we document the work with an invoice. We appreciate it if you follow us on social media, and make sure to sign up for our VIP newsletter. As always, rock and roll.